Hello, EFDT team of the future. My name is Sairan Jamide, and I am one of the members from the EFDT team for the summer. And I will walk you through maintenance and installation process. So to start, you're gonna go to Bitbucket. It usually starts in master. Oh, before that. So we're gonna go to Bitbucket. This is gonna be like the main page. You're gonna go to EForT Forex data folder in MQ05. From master, you're gonna go to EFDT Spring 12. Here, you're going to clone it. If you don't have source tree, you're gonna install source tree. Once you do that, you clone it in source tree. You wait for it to open, and voila. So before you clone it, you have to go to the folder where MQ5 documentation is, or the data folder. You're gonna go to the data folder and you're gonna erase everything in the data folder, everything. So you delete it, minimize it, go back here. Oh, remember to copy the path, because this is the location that you're gonna be using for this. You copy it, paste it over here. And if you have a custom branch, just like I do, you're gonna pick it over here. In our case would be EFDT Spring 12, and you're gonna clone it. Once this is done, it's gonna show up right here, the name of the branch, and all of the files that are within this folder. So this is done. Once you go back and you reopen the data folder, you're gonna see that everything's gonna be populated again. In here you have, in the expert, you're going to find the expert advisor for signals, and to find the signals you're going to include expert, signal, and EFDT Summer 2019 signals. Here you're gonna find the 6 signals that we created for this module. So once this is done, this is pretty much the installation. You're gonna go back to the meta editor, and you have to close it and reopen it again so the changes are assimilated into the system. Once this is done, you're going to go open the expert advisor. You're gonna go to the signals under EFDT Summer 2019, and you're gonna open them all. You're going to compile each one of them. Compile, and as you see, you should get up to 100% immediately, and you're good to go. So this is pretty much how to install the program for our project, and hope this helps. Thank you very much.